Okay, well, kind of a bonus here for anybody that has GPT or ChatGPT Plus. You may notice you might have to go in and re-log back in, but you may notice that you might have this really exciting message. The latest model, GPT-4, now available to Plus. All right, cool. Well, I'm going to go ahead and say try GPT-4. So let's take a look at what this might look like. So first of all, let's do a new chat and see what differences we have available to us. So we have GPT 3.5, we have Legacy 3.5, and now we have GPT-4. So let's take a close look at some of the differences. So first of all, reasoning, speed is a lot faster, consciousness. So speed's a little slower, so it looks like it reverts us back, but reasoning is maxed out, pretty cool. Consciousness is maxed out, pretty cool as well too. So these are interesting options now. And it says this has a cap of 100 messages every 4 hours, which is kind of interesting because I think maybe this might have something to do with some of the other information that's getting announced too. So for example, if we scroll down, let's go into learn about GPT-4, and you see kind of the comparisons that we have here. So this is the reasoning capabilities. So here's an example. Andrew is free from 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. and common availability. This is kind of the word problem thing that has always been a challenge. And then we see we've got the scoring. This is pretty exciting. Outperforms ChatGPT by scoring higher in approximate percentiles amongst test takers. There's an interesting graphic which I think everybody should check out. You'll see here exam results ordered by ChatGPT 3.5 versus GPT-4. You can see all the different exams that we've got here and how they've outperformed. This is really a breakdown of all the simulated exams. We see GPT-4 without vision, more to come on that. GPT 3.5, it shows all the different scores, and we can see it's kind of consistent across the board and better in some cases. Here's some more benchmark stuff. All of this you can find over at the OpenAI blog post that was released. And here's some 3-shot accuracy. So not your one shot, but 3-shot accuracy. A little bit of guidance is what you're getting. So in English, we see random guessing, chinchilla, palm, 3.5. So 85.5% versus 70 on 3.5 in English. Super exciting. And then the visual inputs. So interesting stuff. What is funny about this image? And we give it an image. And then it comes back and it can tell us information about the image. So this is a little bit different now that we're just starting to get, instant reactions on multimodal. We can see that this is a different experience than what we're used to. So you'll also notice that some of the other benchmarks, steerability, a lot of really exciting stuff here. So the other part that we want to look at is also if we get into our OpenAI, and if we look at our pricing, so let's do GPT-4. First of all, you need to join the wait list. So those of you that are not on the API wait list yet, I would run, don't walk to join the API wait list so that you can get access to the API. And we've seen a little bit of information regarding pricing. So first of all, a couple of quick updates here. It looks like we're going to get an 8K context window. So prompts will be 0.03 per 1,000 tokens. Completion will be 0.06 per 1,000 tokens. That's actually, a little bit pricier than what we're used to. Let's take a look at it here. First of all, 32K context window. Oh my God, this is big news. We should be super excited about this. 8K context window. That's just about twice as much as we've got right now. The prices, though, are no joke. You're getting charged both on the way out with prompts and the completion on the way in. That's fine. This is better than some of the Foundry rumors that we saw. And then you see kind of the comparisons to ChatGPT. So ChatGPT got cheaper. GPT-4 got more expensive, but frankly, I'll take it. I love just having that additional context window. I think that's a really big deal. So back in the ChatGPT Plus, you can hammer away for up to 100 messages at a time, and put all sorts of information in here. One of the tests that I'll probably run a couple of tests on GPT-4 just to kind of see how these things work a little bit differently than what I've been getting before. But one of the things that was always kind of a stickler was this math thing. Let me just try something live. This is the first time. Would love it if I had a little bit better way to search on these, but let's do, let's see, where is, oh, here, we're getting close. Inferred relation sales summary. So let me take this, and this is videos that you see on iSolutionsAI YouTube. Let's do a new chat. Let's run this into FileMaker, or I'm sorry, let's go GPT-4, and give it the summary. So here's the summary, orders, products. I'm just going to check some math here. So this is an example that I've been doing for quite some time, and it doesn't get the math right. Now this can be solved with all sorts of other tools, with chains and whatever. I have no problems with that, but just raw GPT doesn't really do the orders correctly, or I'm sorry, the math on these correctly. So first of all, we're getting some pretty cool stuff. I like this formatting based on the tables. Here's the summary. And once it's done, we're going to ask it which of our customers has the most orders. This is actually inferring relationships through multiple different tables: the customer, the order line item, and products. So I'll get to the point where I do need some specific. Which customer has the most orders? All right, not porters, but orders. All right, let's see. This should be Libby. Customer ID number 1, that's correct. She has 2 orders. Oh, look it's giving us all the different orders. So let's see the summary. 001, Libby has the most orders with a total of 2 orders. Are we going to get a dollar value? What is the total of those orders? And we can say to calculate the cost. Okay, so it's doing the show your work thing. Now this is important because for some reason it would not give me the correct number. So let's see, drum roll please. We have $5. That should be 8, 9, and then another 5. That'd be 14, 15. Oh, we're getting some good show your work. So 15 plus 3, 19. That is the correct answer. I was not getting that answer before. So math seems a little bit more intuitive. That's great. This is good. 26. Okay, so checking our work, we've got 19 and 7 equals 26. So first of all, this should be 19. So 1 times 5, 5. Plus 2, 7. 5 plus 2 equals 7. Oh my goodness, that's actually good. So we need to recall the bone product. Which customers should we notify? All right, showing our work. This was something that gave us pretty good intuition last time around. Thought this would be kind of a cool way to work with this. Okay, so let's see who actually ordered this. Now let's match the orders with the customers. Yeah, I do like the work. I think I would change my prompt a little bit. I see it's a little more, there's a little more show your work. There's definitely some different formatting that we see here. But it would mean that I'm going to tweak my GPT-4 prompts a little bit to just get, yeah, so Libby and Lambie, that's the correct answer. Okay, this is super cool. So what about, this is something where I just fed it a ton of data the other day, and I asked for a data dictionary. Let's see how maybe it might be a little bit different with the data dictionary read. So let's go. It's actually pretty fast. As far as it's saying it's not as fast as 3.5. Wait, is this 3.5? Oh, it is 3.5. Sorry, let me try that again. Okay, so let's try the data dictionary in 4. A little more expansive. Yep, actually this is for fantasy sports. Could you please provide more context? Okay, I would have to say I actually liked GPT 3.5's version of that better, so that's kind of interesting. And I don't know, let me just throw one more. Boy, oh boy, I got so much stuff. I can't wait to really dig in and share this stuff with you guys. But how about, oh my goodness gracious. Okay, well, I'll have to really kind of cue some of this stuff up. I'm really excited about this. So, you know, back to the lecture at hand. GPT-4 is the OpenAI's most powerful advanced system. Cannot wait to see what we do with this. So I'll be digging in, doing a bunch of videos. Just wanted to get this out to you folks. Very exciting day here in the world of GPT.